Using nothing but your mobile phone, you can take a plain text from anywhere, run it through Chatgpt to generate a catchy photo animation video like this.
If a small animal like a mouse or any curious creature wanders into a beehive drawn by the irresistible scent of honey, it quickly learns the price of trespassing. Bees are fiercely territorial, and when their home is threatened, they respond with swift and relentless aggression. Dozens, if not hundreds of stings follow until the intruder is...
And to think that the voiceover in this video was actually generated using a free text-to-speech tool is just mind-blowing. I'll be revealing the name of the tool as we go on.
Just cut it already. Videos like this are not monetizable, and you know it. Ha! BS.
Yes, it is, and I'll prove it to you. You see this channel here tells Christian stories with photo animation and they get lots of views. Let's check to see if the channel is monetized. To do that, let's tap on the channel name. Then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Now let's copy the channel link like this. Let's open up Google and search for Linus Monetization Checker. Let's open up the first result. Now let's paste the channel link right here. As you can see, the channel is monetized.
Okay, maybe I was wrong about the monetization part, but achieving all that visuals using just Chatgpt on a mobile phone? Come on!
So let's get right into it then. Let's start by finding a post. Make sure to find a post that is attention grabbing. I saw this one on Facebook. The post is about bees and how they keep their colonies safe and their hives sanitized. Let's copy the post and paste it inside a notepad. Also, we'll be needing this image for style reference to keep our content consistent. So let's go ahead and download it to our device. For step 2, we're going to open up Chatgpt and paste the first prompt. For this prompt, we're instructing Chatgpt to imagine the story in scenes. I'm making each new scene a new paragraph without changing anything. Let's go ahead to paste the text we copied from Facebook right here and hit enter.
Just a sec. Would you be so nice to leave all the prompts somewhere so I could, use them later in my own project?
The prompts will be in the description. Feel free to use them for your project. Now Chatgpt is breaking the scenes into paragraphs as instructed. So it's done generating and you can clearly see the scenes in paragraphs. And it didn't change anything else, just as we instructed it. Let's paste the next prompt. Here, we're telling Chatgpt to number the paragraphs. This is an important step you don't want to skip. Basically, there are two reasons why it's important to number the paragraphs. When we get to each of them, I'll explain better. And Chatgpt has gone ahead to number each paragraph. Now let's start generating the prompts for our images. For this step, we're going to upload the image we saved on our device to Chatgpt. Then we're going to paste our next prompt. In this prompt, we'll tell Chatgpt to carefully generate detailed image prompt for each of the numbered paragraphs. And for this part right here, type in the image generation tool you want to use. And Chatgpt is going to add style presets according to the tool. For this video, I'm just going to type in Leonardo AI and hit enter.
Gotcha! What happened to I'm using Chatgpt for everything now, huh? Stud.
Okay, calm down. We're not using Leonardo AI actually. I just want to point out something.
You better.
So our prompt is done generating and it added the image as style to all the prompts to help Leonardo AI or any other image generation tool out there know exactly what type of image to generate.
Okay, I get it. But still got eyes on you, though.
It has also provided matching prompts for each paragraph scene, number for number. This is one of the reasons why it is important to number our paragraphs. Without numbering the paragraphs, it is common for Chatgpt to limit the number of image prompts for the scenes, and we don't want that. You're going to see another reason when we start to edit the video. For this step, we're going to use Chatgpt. You can use any other image generation tool out there and still get the same result. Let's bring in our reference image. Under the image, let's paste the first image prompt. This is the first image generated and it's very close to our reference image. I'll go on to generate all the images using the prompt. And always remember to rename all your images according to the scenes or paragraphs. This way, during editing, you can easily match them accordingly. For this step, we're going to use a free text-to-speech tool that will make you cancel your Elevenlabs subscription. Let's open up Google and type in Google AI Studio. Open the first result. Google AI Studio is an all-in-one tool that gives you access to different tools all in one application, more like the free version of OpenAuth, especially when it comes to voiceover generation, which means you'll be able to generate unlimited voiceovers for zero cost. Let's start generating our voiceovers. Locate the button at the left-hand side here at the top of the page and tap on Generate Media. Tap on Gemini Speech Generation. Here is where you set the tone of your speaker to show different moods, like happiness, sadness, frustration, etc. We can also set the number of speakers. Here we have 2 speakers, which is good if you're doing a podcast. But our video is a narration style video, so we set this to a single speaker. Let's choose a voice. I already have a voice I want to use for this video. It's this one. So let's copy the first paragraph and paste it and tap on Run Control. Let's play to hear it.
If a small animal like a mouse or any curious creature wanders...
Let's download it. I'll go ahead to generate all the voiceovers in this manner, scene after scene. Generating your voiceovers in chunks adds more realism to the narration. This is the final step. This is where we put everything together. So let's bring in our clips one after the other. Let's bring in the voiceovers according to the clips. Now you can see why I asked you to number the files. Let's add animations to our clips to bring them to life. To do that, let's tap on the clip you want to animate. Then tap on animation. You can play with the different animations until you find what you want. Then we're going to add transitions to give our video a seamless flow. To do that, let's tap on the joints in any part of the video you want to add transition, then add it. We can add captions to a video by tapping on the caption button right here. Let's import our video and see what it looks like.
If a small animal like a mouse or any curious creature wanders into a beehive drawn by the irresistible scent of honey, it quickly learns the price of trespassing. Bees are fiercely territorial, and when their home is threatened, they respond with swift and relentless aggression. Dozens, if not hundreds of stings follow until the intruder is neutralized. But once the danger is gone, a new problem arises: the body. And this is where bees display a surprising kind of genius. If the animal is too large to drag out of the hive, the bees don't leave it to rot. That would be dangerous, introducing bacteria, foul odors, and disease into their tightly regulated environment. Instead, the bees tap into their evolutionary toolkit and begin a process that seems almost ritualistic. They embalm the intruder. Using a substance called propolis, a sticky, resin-like material collected from tree sap and botanical sources, the bees begin to coat the corpse. Propolis is nature's disinfectant. It's antibacterial, antifungal, moisture-resistant, and blocks odors.